WAKL-FM Awards, which I'm calling like the ultimate concert because
we interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Monroe Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a blue 2016 Chevy Malibu with Georgia tag CRU 7421. On April the 16th, 2022, Nayla Norwood, a 1-year-old black female, was abducted by Gregory Dante Norwood, a 31-year-old black male, 6 foot, 185 pounds, and was last seen on Georgia Highway 83 headed westbound and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Nayla Norwood or the blue 2016 Chevy Malibu with Georgia tag CRU 7421, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the CSend app for iPhone and Android users.
Yeah, I'm wondering